So now we have our new cat called Doley and Bob. Doley and Bob seem to be getting along together quite well. Doley seems to be quite a nice little guy, and Bob is a guy also. Now, Bob used to always spend a lot of time with Shadow, and he still does. But here we have Shadow down here somewhere in the shadows. Can't see her. Hard to see Shadow. Anyway, she's over on the other couch by herself in the shadows, so it's very difficult to see her. And these two seem to be getting along quite well together now. With a little bit of adjustment. Doley still fights with Shadow, but Bob and him seem to get along pretty good, with some exceptions. And they play, but Shadow still fights with Doley.